so this is everything you need for this recipe. First off is some sourdough. If you're gluten-free like me, find a sourdough gluten-free bread. I'm using Cocoa Bakes. It's a local company. Next is this garlic spread. If you live somewhere where you're able to get this or order it online, it is amazing. It's raw, vegan. I get the basil one. This one is keto. They have a bunch of different flavors. Some of them aren't keto or low sugar, so just make sure that you pick the right one. I'm using this vegan cheddar by Miyoko's Creamery. It's cultured and free of everything. So this is the cheese I'm using, an avocado, some sauerkraut. I'm using this carrot one that I got at a local farmer's market. Buffalo sauce. Buffalo sauce, you want to make sure that you find one that's free of sugar. And this one is by the new Primal. It's by Noble, made by the new Primal, the medium buffalo sauce, gluten-free, Whole30 approved, 0 gram sugar, 0 gram added sugar. Some cabbage. I have this organic cabbage from Trader Joe's. Some parsley and cilantro. And lastly, you want some chicken breast. I get the Trader Joe's organic free-range chicken. Any chicken will do. All right, so that's all the ingredients. I wanted to show you guys when I chop up my chicken, I like to always use the palm size rule. So I usually do half a chicken breast would be a serving size for me. And I go by the size of my palm, and then I just cut up the chicken breast into little pieces here. And then I oiled up a pan, and I'm just going to throw this in right here. Made the chicken breast with the cheese so that it melts a little bit, and then I added the buffalo sauce, and I'm just letting it sit a little bit while it thickens up. And I also toasted my sourdough. I usually do one big piece, but sadly I only have 2 little small pieces left, so I toasted both pieces. I'm going to show you guys a little trick that I do to stay hydrated, and especially if you don't like water. I love water, but a lot of people don't like water, and a lot of times I just like to feel like I'm having something refreshing, especially after I come back from a walk and it's hot outside. So I like to do half water and half sparkling water. I am obsessed with this. I don't even know if it is AHA or AHA sparkling water, the watermelon flavor. It has 0 grams of sugar, and I just kind of do half and half here. So I do half sparkling, half regular water, and then I squeeze fresh lime. I usually do a whole lime. So I squeeze the lime in. I got some on my chin. And then I stick my straw in. And I sip on this. And it's so refreshing. And the lime juice is really good for alkalizing the body. And then I'm still getting regular water as well. So this is a little trick that I like to do, and I put it in a big cup and I sip it, and it's so perfect, so good, and so refreshing too, and you feel really good drinking it. Another thing that I like to do, like right now I'm having a little midday dip and my brain is kind of all foggy. So I posted a supplement video on my Instagram, and I'll post the link below in the caption. But if you haven't checked that out, I am obsessed with this Brain Armor Focus Fix. I am an affiliate with them, but I wouldn't promote any brand that I don't personally use and love and did my research on. And so I love this because it really helps with just like when I'm starting to feel like really all over the place, or also before a workout, or today like I'm filming all day, or you know, instead of having that midday cup of coffee and feeling all like jittery and all over the place, I like to take this Focus Fix, and it just kind of helps me like zone back in and focus again, and it gives me a little bit of energy as well. So I'm gonna take this, and I just wanted to share this product with you guys. So if you haven't already, check it out, and I'll post my affiliate link below. It just really helps me out so that I can keep doing these videos for you guys. Thanks. Okay, you guys, let's get back to the recipe. So I toasted the sourdough, and then I'm gonna grab that garlic sauce, and I'm gonna spread this on both pieces of bread. Like I said, I normally do one big piece. So this is kind of an awkward piece, but I'm going with it. No piece wasted, right? So I got the garlic sauce, and then I'm gonna put some avocado. I'm gonna use a fork because I like to smash the avocado into the bread. Now, as far as serving sizes of avocados, I normally do half of an avocado, but if I have a little tiny avocado, I do the full one. So, for example, today I have a tiny avocado, so I'm just gonna smush. Actually, I'm gonna save this part. So as you can see, I covered both pieces with the garlic sauce and then the avocado on top. After that, I'm going to add the chicken. So I got the chicken here. I'm just gonna kind of spread that on there. Ooh, you could smell the buffalo sauce. So again, the chicken already is mixed with the buffalo sauce and the cheese. And some might fall off. It makes it fun. This is meant to be a messy meal. This isn't meant to be super put together. So I have the garlic sauce, the avocado, and the chicken on there. Next, I'm going to add the Sauerkraut carrots. So we got that on there. That's what it looks like now. And then this is when we're just gonna kind of like start to make it look kind of a little messy. One sec. You guys, I need to get better at my presentation skills here. All right, so we got the cabbage, and we're just gonna layer the cabbage on like so. Just layer a bunch on. Like if it falls all over the place, you have a plate full of yummy goodness still. So then I like to chop up my parsley and cilantro and just kind of keep it in one container. I have some basil in here too. And yeah, it just makes it easier to just grab. Otherwise, if I always have to chop it, I'll just easily be like, well, I'm just not going to put that in the recipe. So parsley and cilantro is so cleansing for the body, so I like to add it to all my food. So I'm just going to like top this on there like so. And there we go. And this is the final result. We got the sourdough, the garlic, the avocado, the chicken, the cheddar, the buffalo sauce, the sauerkraut carrot, the cabbage, and the parsley and cilantro. And this is a super nutritious meal. If you want, you can also add some fiber. Maybe let's add, I like to sprinkle a little bit of flax meal to my food. You can also add hemp seeds. Maybe add a little bit more sauce on top, whatever you're liking. And that's it. This is like super nutritious. You're getting fiber, protein, nutrients, vegetables. You're getting carb from the sourdough. You can do it without the bread to keep it super keto if you like, and just have the chicken with some greens or vegetables and the garlic sauce, the avocado. I might try that out next since I'm about to run out of the bread. But yeah, this kept me full yesterday for hours. Super yummy. It's just kind of something I threw together and I posted on my Instagram and everybody was like, what is that? That looks so good. So this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe and make sure to hit that like button. Comment below. Please let me know if you've tried any of my recipes out. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. I appreciate it so much. It really helps me out. And there's more to come. Stay tuned.